Hello there! Today I will be showing you how you can install a glass bed on your Ender 3 Pro. My bed is currently looking like this. It's pretty beat up and adhesion is not that good. So yeah, today I will be showing you how you can install a new glass bed on your Ender. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, first off, what bed did I choose? I choose the Creality one. It's pretty much the standard from them. And it has some techniques that you should be able to get your prints off nice and easy. So yeah, let's unbox it right now together. I've cut the tape on the bottom already, so I should be able to open it with one hand. Okay, open it all the way. And here we have our new glass bed. I'm just going to leave this in here right now, because first of all I need to remove. This one is put on with magnets. And I will be removing the magnetic layer. I've watched some videos and I've read some things online about if you remove the magnetic layer. So I'm just going to be doing it right now. I'm just going to be heating up the bed to 70 degrees. And I'm going to be putting this at the top so I can handle it easily. But it should come right off. So yeah, let's just heat up the bed and position the extruder really quick. Let's start it up. And it's spinning right now. You just go to prepare, move axis, move Z, and just do it by 10 millimeters. If I move this, my extruder is going to be rising, as you can see, very slowly. So I'm just going to be moving it to 80, so it should be pretty much at the top. And now I will just heat up the glass, or sorry, the magnetic bed, so I can remove it easier. Let's just change the bed temperature really quick. As I said earlier, 80 degrees. If you go back, it should be, yeah, as you can see, it's warming up to 80 degrees right now. So yeah, I'll be right back at you. Okay, as you can see, the bed is almost ready. It's at 76 degrees right now. But I'm first going to be start by trying to get a little start with this right here, my scraping tool. So I don't think I will be able to do it with one hand, no. So I'm just going to put the camera aside till I have made some kind of start, and I'll try to show you how I can rip the rest off. Okay, as you can see, I've made a little start, but you have to be careful because it's pretty hot. It's obviously 80 degrees. You should be able to pull this right off. You can see it's pretty easy. Oh, I'm missing the whole printer. But yeah, I'm just going to do this with two hands because it's going to be much easier. So yeah, I'll be right back with you when I remove the magnetic layer. Our magnetic layer has been completely removed. It came out pretty clean, as you can see. And it also came out in one piece. If you heat the bed up to 80 degrees, just be careful because it is very hot. So be careful with touching it. And yeah, don't burn yourself. Yeah, now I'm obviously going to get this out of the packaging. And let's just remove the plastic peel. I can do it with one hand. Without breaking the entire thing. So let's just set this onto the build plate. Careful because it will probably be hot. Okay, and now just put the little clamps on it. So yeah, we'll be right back when I've installed the clamps. As you can see, I've now installed the clamps and the base plate. And it actually is really sturdy on there, so that's really nice. Okay, and the next step is checking if the Z-stop still functions as normally. Because obviously you don't want your nozzle, so it's really dark, sorry. You do not want your nozzle breaking your plate. One thing I forgot to mention is that it's very important to put all of your bed leveling wheels to the lowest amount possible. So yeah, just put them to the lowest amount possible. As you see, I have like a finger of clearance right now. So yeah, now it's time to set the bed leveling stop. So for that, make sure your motors are enabled and lower your nozzle with this light over here. As you can see, if I turn this, it'll go down. Lower it any further, it would actually destroy my plate. So yeah, you're going to adjust the stop loss. To do that, you have to loosen up these two bolts and just go ahead and put it a little bit higher. So I'm going to be loosening up these bolts right now. Okay, our stop loss has now been set correctly. So as I said earlier, just loosen up these screws and put this thing a tiny bit higher, so that if you lower, see, couldn't go any lower, your Z-axis, sorry, your printer or your extruder isn't going to touching your plate. So as you can see, it's not going to be touching. It's perfect. Okay, I have leveled my bed all around now, so I should be fine. There's a perfect amount of clearance everywhere, so that's perfect. Let's just turn the printer on and test and print. Turn it on. And I've actually loaded up a file. I think it's this one. Okay, let's see. Turns to home really easy. Super dark, it's really annoying, but trying to make it work. It's heating up right now. Why is it so out of focus? Okay, I should be focusing right now. But yeah, it's just heating up, so I will be right back with you when it starts printing. As you can see, it started printing. The adhesion is pretty good, but obviously it needs a little bit of fine-tuning. So yeah, as you can see, it's a couple hours later. I've messed around with the settings a little bit, but it's printing really nice right now. First 2 or 3 layers are down, but it's very clean and adhesion is pretty good. So yeah, I think it's worked out pretty nice. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm planning to make another video on this printer, and I've also ordered a mic, so the microphone should be in the next video I record. So yeah, still thank you for watching, have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.